Alright, welcome back to another video of the Flipping Realtor. On an awesome video, we're going to do a 5-bedroom, 3-bedroom house. And stay tuned for... Oh, I'm already out of breath. I can't do that. Alright, welcome back to another video with the Flipping Realtor. And it's going to be my family on this video also. And we're going to renovate this 5-bedroom, 3-bath house, 3,000 square feet. And this is part 2 video of the Hoarder house. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy the video. This is all about demo and clean out. And we're mainly gonna do the kitchen on this video. The bathroom's gonna come next. All right, this is a 40-yard dumpster. I got it for $675. Hope that's a good price. I'm in Lithonia, Georgia. You think the gas still on? No, you sort of get this microwave out. You know, plug it first off. Oh, we got to go around this plug since they did that. Alright, now you can see this. You got the 2 front screws off, 2 seat screws. Now you're gonna get the 2 front screws off and it's gonna start tilting down. Oh! All right, so this was the only screw that was holding the microwave up from the bottom, like in here. So it works. Disconnect the plumb head first before you start taking all this sink and everything apart. Oh, this most likely is hand tight. There's always water in the P-trap. The sink is apart. You're gonna need to hit that wall out so we can get around this thing for right now. This line going to the dishwasher. Alright, so I got all the plumbing disconnected, I think. So I can go on and start taking the countertop off. And then we'll hit this out to get the base cabinet out. We'll worry about the plumbing and stuff later. me see it. All right, as you can see, this breaker say dishwasher. I had it off, but you see it was still beeping. So it's going to show you got to double check everything. Let's turn everything off. Let's test it out again. All right, it's off now. It just is on a different plug, I guess, and we got to figure that out later. Just gonna wrap this up really good, and I'm gonna turn the lights back on. Yeah. Must be hitting the screw. We want to take this outside. Let me go inside with it. Yeah. Wait, turn it sideways. Oh, the other way. Okay. Push harder on the back of that screw. Take it out. Watch out for that wire you stepping on, you know it's hot. See, like right here, we can just gonna hit like around these pipes and they'll break it up. Hopefully no pipe is below it. That would be crazy. See how they put it down right there? Then screws for the nails right there. Them were concrete nails, which you could just hammer that straight into the concrete, but that's really hard to have that go straight into the concrete. So you probably just kept hitting it real hard to get it there. They made this island. So this was a dead corner, the same thing we're gonna put in here. Alright, just gonna get these tips off the table.
Jackpot.
Jackpot. Going to the flip flops. Alright, this side of the kitchen is up. I'll do that on the camera. I'll do that on the camera. I know I got you all tired. What you were saying, you need a break? Wasting the battery. Nope, not here yet. We're not prepared. It's probably mixed now. That's why they had that in there. Probably gonna pull it out now because they're not attaching the bottom. Gonna need another one. All right, another little lapse of time lapse. Not a time lapse, just a video. Kitchen's done. That pantry over there. We trying to decide if we're gonna put some modern day shelves, not modern day, but just wood shelves over there. I don't know why I keep making up my own words. But like that's it. All right, so this going in the backyard. You see it's a little bit of a jungle back here. We're gonna start cleaning all this out. I already got an estimate for $800 to clean this out, so guess what? We're gonna do it ourselves. So we'll just see how everything goes from there. What's that noise? Come on, man. Yeah, see that happen.
Look good. And we supposed to be here to work.
I'm the technician, man. Show me some goddamn respect.
Did you get that on camera?
Show me some respect.
Come on. What's up, y'all? Thanks for coming in.
How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Oh,
My name Roy. This is my wife, Britt.
this.
Hey, now.
And this thing kind of fell.
This interior designer.
Interior designer. What's your name?
I'm the technician.
Say your name.
I already said my name.
Dummy.
I already said it first, but when I meant it the first time.
What?
It's the living room.
You remember that big old couch was over there and another couch right there? You can see how dirty the carpet was. That would be on this wall, I think.
Oh, yeah.
I'd rather be over there because, yeah, you see, cause when you want to see when who comes to your front door, you don't want your back to be that way.
And you don't want to walk around the couch.
Yeah.
You want to clear walk around.
You want to see your front door always. Is this somebody's cookie?
You touching it with your hand?
Alright. So this is a dining room area. We already started cleaning out some of the kitchen. That's why this over here.
Look at this chandelier. Half to go.
Stop hitting the chandelier.
Half to go.
It's like in the chandeliers.
I thought it was gonna break. That was the whole point. Not like break from the wall.
Okay. Alright. You want to go in with the video? We're gonna do that.
Be your first time actually doing it.
Man, you gotta go through this in every room, or we got like 5 rooms we gotta do this in. 10 rooms, I mean.
Wait, oh, I gotta get back here.
We already did the kitchen and everything. What did I have? I don't know how many cameras I have. 7 or 10? This one over here 10 feet. Like I could touch the ceiling like this. Alright, y'all, let's see if we on camera. So I don't know how many cabinets it's had, but yeah, we don't go with like, you know, cabinets from IKEA, Home Depot, or those price shop, and then see the come out the right here. Yeah, that's where we're gonna have 2 chairs. Yeah, the kitchen out, almost like this, so that's what they call it. And then you know, that's where the microwave and stove gotta go because of the gas line, so it's gotta go right here.
What's that?
That's where we talking about where we might, that's where we talking about where we might put the fridge might go right here. I gotta tell you about the fridge. If we get it from IKEA, that fridge with Jay or something like it only comes in 1 color, I think, or 2 colors, and it's not, we try to do that again. I thought you still going.
Just wanted to.
I said it's too much room to get folks. We don't know about the HVAC unit yet.
That's what I said. So we gonna wait for that. So this gonna be, you know, cabinet right here, and maybe one of talk the usual way how everybody else do it. IKEA still refrigerator depth cabinet that comes like right here, or they still want regular like everybody else has. And so we have to decide if we want to pay $200 or $300 more for a cabinet or refrigerator, which nobody else really use for real anyway. What else we think we can do? Oh, we could do under cabinet lighting, like the one that's most expensive. Not with IKEA. They're made. If we do IKEA. But anyway, go. I mean, we could probably look into it, but they don't normally a way to give you the extra support.
Then you probably put this on Bruce. What's his name, Bruce?
Yeah, we found it
in one of the girls.
Alright, that's it, y'all? And this is what you can expect for the next video. I'm not sure exactly when I'm going to post it, but it's all about demoing the bathrooms in here. So it's gonna be 2 guest bathrooms I demo and 1 master bedroom, that master bathroom that I demo. So you basically seen the whole video in this little small clip, but stay tuned if you want in-depth version of it. Bunch of turds over here. Them squirrels or something. That's too big to be rat. I don't know what that is right there.